Why is it so cold? There's got to be a better way to do this. And inside, I think we should try and find out. You ready? Let's do this. Woo!
Hey everybody, David aka RV Jedeye, and normally when I do these videos I'm out and about, I'm exploring wherever I'm RVing, and I love to do that. But I live in Northeast Wisconsin, Green Bay in particular, and here it gets cold. Really cold. So it's hard to sometimes get out and do these videos in the rig. So I think the time has finally come for me to do something about it. I have a second bedroom here in my apartment, so it's time to step up my game with this channel and quite frankly, try to stay warm. I'm gonna do something unique with my extra bedroom, clean that out and turn it into something special to help this channel grow. Now, normally when I put my videos together, I do it here at my dining room table. Not a bad spot, but I do have a second bedroom, that part of which was supposed to be used as an office. So finally, after a year and some change, it's time to pack it all up and move. There's only one catch. Okay, so this is a judgment-free zone. It's time to go inside and start working on the new office. Okay, there is a lot to do in this office. As you can tell, I've just basically used it as storage. But in 2021, I really want to step up my game when it comes to this channel. And one of the things I think I need is a home office to do some stuff in, to do some work in. So this is going to take me probably a weekend or so to get everything kind of cleaned up, cleaned out. I'm going to take some stuff to Goodwill or a thrift store. I'm going to throw some stuff out, and then I'm going to repack and repackage a lot of this stuff, go through everything and see what needs to stay and what needs to go. So first things first, let's start cleaning this bad boy out. Okay, so I've been working on this office for a little while now, and quite frankly, I just haven't gotten enough done on it. So today is going to be the big day. I'm really going to try and move some stuff out, start building out some of the furniture so that I can get this office into a place where I can work on it on a regular basis. I don't know if it'll be 100% done, but it'll be pretty darn close. So let's get busy. Let's do this. Let's finish up the office and get it to the point where I can start using it. Getting ready for the remodel, I went online and picked up a desk, a chair, and yep, a ring light. All things I had to put together. So this is it, my new YouTube home studio. It's going to be a little bit nicer than working out on the dining room table, because there I will actually get a chance to dine and eat. Here I'll get a chance to do some work. Now this is still a work in progress, still things that I want to do with the studio, things I want to do in the back just to make it a little bit more visually interesting. But again, this will be a place that because it's cold here in Wisconsin, I'll be able to come in and do some videos. Most of the videos will continue to be out on the road when I'm RVing, and that's really where my passion and joy is, because I'll be out and about doing stuff in the RV. But there are going to be times where I'm going to do things here in the studio, specifically because it's cold outside, but also because there's some things here that I want to share with you that are going to be a little bit different than just RVing. You know, one of the things that I get a question about all the time is how did I start my RV channel? So a little bit later this year, I'm going to share some of my YouTube secrets in terms of how I started my channel, again, with the sole purpose of sharing and paying it forward. Again, when I got into RVing, I watched a lot of different channels, watched a lot of different things on how to RV and how to just share the RV experience. So I'm going to do that here as well. So look for those videos to come up here in just a little bit. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed me sharing a little bit about my YouTube studio here. Season 6 is up and underway of the new RV Adventures of RV Jedeye. We have so much more to do, and in just a little bit, I will be back out on the road RVing and sharing those experiences with you. Make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification if you like the video, and that way whenever a new video comes out, you will be notified right away. That's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RV Jedeye, and then of course you can follow me on the blog at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, RV. It's just a little ways away until we're back out on the road exploring all over. Hope you have a great day.